Hello, welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of our 1969 Plymouth Fury 3 convertible. Been really well looked after, this car. She's got a brand new, fully rebuilt 383 in her. Starts on the button, runs like a dream, and sounds absolutely amazing. I will start her up shortly and you can have a listen. She's come from Oregon. She's completely rust free. She's got rebuilt gearbox, new new prop shaft. Everything on this car is spot on. We're just waiting for the documents to come back from DVLA, and so she'll be registered in the UK. But just stunning, this car, absolutely stunning. Turns heads everywhere. I've even thought of starting a wedding hire business with the car because it's just perfect, absolutely perfect. Anyway, we start on the front wing here. As you can see, no marks or anything on there. Really lovely front wheel with discs on there and the white walls. Coming along the driver's side, all really nice. Got the spats there over the rear wheels. It's just such a lot of car. I hate to imagine what this would weigh in at because it's just ridiculous. Look at it, it's so cool. Look at the lights and everything. All the chrome is lovely. The chrome looks like new. It looks like it's just been done. The guy we got the car from, this was his pride and joy, absolute pride and joy, which is always a good sign. Coming down the passenger side, the side pipes are just to look. They're not functional. The main exhaust is out the back, as you will hear shortly. But everything on this car is just right. It just sits right. It looks right. I even love the police lamps. I think these are fab. You know, really great. They just kind of suit the car. Front wheel there. The bonnet, huge bonnet. Lovely shine in that. Look at that. And then the front of the car. Look at the detail. It's just lovely. Sailed through MOT, not surprisingly, and underneath, I mean, it's lovely, absolutely lovely. Inside, she's got all new interior, as you can see, new carpets and everything. All the dashboards done, brand new convertible top with new electric motors and everything, so it all works perfectly. Look at that. It's just fabulous, it really is. You know, even in the door shuts and everything, look. We'll come around to the passenger side. And it's just spectacular. The only faults which we're going to have a look at and see if we can fix is the crack. There's a crack in the dashboard. See the crack there? That's just from the heat. But modern technology, I'm sure there's somebody out there who can fix that and repair that so it looks like it's never been done. Passenger door card, absolutely perfect. I'll come around and just have a look in the boot. There's not a lot of room in the boot. It's quite small, as you'd expect on a car like this. There we are. Look at that! It's huge! How many bodies could you get in there? Look at it! The cover there's for the roof. Oh, look at that! It's fantastic. Look, the original sticker up here for the spare wheel. Now we'll come around and have a look under the bonnet. Which weighs a ton. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Now that's an engine. Like I said, fully rebuilt engine, gearbox and prop shaft. New radiator in here as well, aluminium radiator. Look at that. Just fantastic. It's in such good condition, this car. Then we'll come round to the business end. The key in the ignition here. Put it right around, there we are. Starts on the button. That sounds like that. Okay. Yeah, there's no substitute for cubic feet. Awesome. What a car. And there you have it. That's our video review of our 1969 Plymouth Fury 3 convertible. Yeah, what a car. Just awesome. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.